I'm Mona Bhavani. Today we are making chicken shawarma, pita bread and hummus. So we'll start first with pita bread. We'll take 2.5 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. Then we have 3/4 tablespoons of powdered sugar, salt to taste, but I have taken 3/4 tablespoons. Then we have yeast, instant yeast. So I'm taking 1 tablespoon, and this is warm milk. So I'll soak for 5 minutes. We'll wait for 5 minutes. So I'm adding the yeast. And I have taken 1 cup of milk, but milk is how much we needed. So we are kneading the dough. The dough should not be very hard or very soft. So this is the dough, how it should be. So now we'll add some oil, about a tablespoon. Yeah, so the dough is ready. So we'll cover with the cloth or cling paper and keep in a warm place for 1 hour. So the dough is double up. So we'll mix it and roll into pita bread. So should be this size or whatever size you want. So now we are making hummus. This is 1.5 cup of chickpeas soaked overnight. Boil only with salt. Then you strain it. Then I have 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds soaked in the chickpea stock. Here we have 1/2 cup of olive oil. We'll use 3/4 cups of stock, chickpeas stock. After boiling, you save the chickpeas water, and then we have garlic, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. This is the consistency we need. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and again I blend for 2 minutes. So now we'll marinate the chicken. I have washed the chicken. This is 1/2 kg of boneless. First we'll cut into thin slices. So this is half kg boneless cut into thin slices. So we have 1 cup of curds, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, very fine chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then we have 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, now this is garlic powder and ginger powder. So each teaspoon of garlic powder and ginger powder. Then we have 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of dhania powder, coriander powder, 3/4 tablespoons of jeera powder, cumin powder, half tablespoons of chili powder, haldi powder 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. So we'll mix everything and marinate at least for 1 to 2 hours. More you marinate, more the taste. So we have marinated the chicken for 1 hour. I'm adding few sticks of cinnamon stick and bay leaves, 3 to 4 bay leaves. I have preheat the oven. Now we'll prepare the potato for the skewers. So here you need 1 large potato, but I have kept too small, so you just wrap with the foil and put it in a bowl. Before you wrap the potato, check the size, if it's going in your bowl or no. So here the skewers. So now we'll take the slices now we will just slide the chicken slices. If the chicken slices are very long, you can cut into half. In between, put the cinnamon sticks and the bay leaves just to give a good flavor. So I have a peeled onion. I will just put it on top of the chicken. Yeah. So this is ready. Now I will grill in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes till the chicken is grilled. So now this is mayonnaise. We'll make a garlic paste. So this is 1 cup of mayonnaise. And 1.5 tablespoon of crushed garlic and salt to taste. So the grilled chicken is ready. So now we'll prepare the shawarma. I have a pita bread here. We'll start with hummus. Then we have garlic paste. We'll slice the chicken. We have the chicken, sliced chicken. Then we have pickle, salad, potato chips, and beetroot. No, beetroot is optional. We'll make a roll. We have the roll ready. We'll repeat one more. We have finished with the shawarmas. So enjoy homemade shawarmas. Thank you.